The World Health Organization defines health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. In this course, we will focus on the role of nutrition, specialty diets, exercise, and lifestyle, and their impact on health enhancement, disease prevention, and longevity. It is important to remember that health and well-being are influenced by genetic makeup, environmental factors, lifestyle, cultural beliefs, and personal choices. Of all the diets, the standard American diet stands alone in offering an abundance of processed foods and saturated fats in the daily diet, resulting in alarming rates of preventable chronic diseases. You don't have to be an American to suffer these outcomes, you only have to eat like one. Good health is about more than food alone. In this segment, we will look at other components of and markers for healthy living. To keep an engine in tip-top shape, it cannot sit idle for long periods of time. It must be run regularly to keep its parts oiled and free of accumulated debris. It is the same with the body. It needs regular daily movement to remain fully functional, strong, and in sync. The body burns or releases energy from the food we eat through a system of metabolic processes that occur at the cellular level. Carbohydrates become glucose, which produce immediate energy to fuel physical activity and facilitate organ function. The brain requires a constant supply of glucose to function properly and avoid mental fatigue, or brain fog. Fats become fatty acids used to move oxygen through the bloodstream to all parts of the body. They aid cell membrane development and nourish organs and tissues. Healthy fats are essential for our bodies. Proteins become amino acids, the building blocks which make up muscles, tendons, organs, glands, nails, and hair. Growth, repair, and maintenance of all cells are dependent upon them. Next to water, protein makes up the greatest portion of our body weight. Stress is linked to 6 leading causes of death: heart disease, cancer, lung ailments, accidents, cirrhosis of the liver, and suicide. The cost of stress to the U.S. industry due to absenteeism, reduced productivity, and workmen's compensation benefits amounts to $300 billion, or about $7,500 per worker per year. According to the Center for Disease Control, 83% of all adult deaths between the ages of 21 and 65 are related to lifestyle. And now let's talk about lifestyle influences. Health and happiness go hand in hand. Nourishing the mind and spirit is every bit as important as proper eating and exercising. Passion, purpose, and pleasure make up a guiding pyramid for the well-fed spirit. Take time every day to reflect and act on what brings joy and meaning to your life. Helps balance any dose of disappointment that comes your way. The power of joy helps generate good health. Feelings of optimism, happiness, and pleasure release endorphins, which strengthen the immune system, regulate metabolism, and can decrease physical pain. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. It is easily excreted from the body when not needed. Action and role. The major role of vitamin C is that of a powerful antioxidant. It can neutralize harmful free radicals, which are molecules responsible for aging and tissue damage. It also aids in neutralizing pollutants and toxins. It stimulates the body's defense mechanism and protects vitamin A, vitamin E, and dietary fats from oxidation. It moves fat into cells that can then be converted into energy. Vitamin C is needed for the synthesis of collagen, which are structural components of blood vessels, tendons, ligaments, and bone. Because of its role in the formation of collagen, vitamin C aids in wound healing. Ascorbic acid protects against heavy metals such as mercury, lead, cadmium, and nickel. There are many forms of vitamin A. Two of the most common forms are the retinoids and carotenoids. The retinoids, also called retinol or preformed vitamin A, are found in animal products. They are converted to the active forms retinol and retinoic acid in the body. The carotenoids, also called provitamin A or beta-carotene, are found in plants and are converted to retinol in the body. Food sources. Excellent sources of retinol from animal sources include calf's liver and fish oils. Excellent sources of beta-carotene from plant sources are yellow and dark green leafy vegetables, squash, and yellow fruits, such as apricots and peaches. Cooking over 104 degrees Fahrenheit can destroy retinol. Beta-carotene can be lost through soaking fruits and vegetables in water for long periods.
In this segment, we will address in detail essential fatty acids with an emphasis on omega-3, 6, and 9. The optimal ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 consumption is 1:2 and up to 1:4. The Western diet is approximately 1:20 and up to as high as 1:80. Let's discuss each of the omega fatty acids individually in order to understand their importance and how a deficiency or imbalance can adversely affect health.
Dosages and forms. There is no established RDA for omega-3s. Some healthcare professionals' recommendations range from 200 to 1,000 milligrams per day. People with documented heart disease are advised to consume approximately 1,000 milligrams daily, while those with high serum triglycerides may take up to 2,000 to 4,000 milligrams daily of an EPA-DHA supplement. Krill oil comes from krill, small shrimp-like crustaceans. In addition to omega-3 fats, the krill contains vitamins A, D, and E. Krill oil was tested against fish oil and was found to be more effective at reducing LDL cholesterol, raising HDL cholesterol, and lowering blood sugar.
Coenzyme Q10. Toxicities and interactions. CoQ10 is non-toxic, even with doses as high as 3,000 milligrams. CoQ10 is depleted in the body from use of statin-lowering medications for cholesterol, high blood pressure medications, and antidepressants. It may decrease the effectiveness of blood-thinning medications.
Zinc. Studies. Some trials indicated that when zinc was taken within 24 hours of the onset of cold symptoms, the severity and duration of cold symptoms reduced. Another trial found that zinc sulfate, given over 2 years, reduced the loss of vision in patients with age-related macular degeneration. Researchers have shown that men can decrease their enlarged prostate symptoms by adding zinc to their diet. Researchers believe a zinc deficiency elevates the risk of several chronic diseases, including cancer, due to the ability of zinc to increase DNA repair and act as an antioxidant.